ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel. I just want to thank you for taking time to listen to my video clips. Thank you for liking. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for those who have sent me a thumbs up and a love heart. I really feel you on that. And thank you for subscribing. So viewers, if you have not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And today, I want us to talk about something else. It is the dream of every employee to receive the Employee of the Year award, or if you are a business owner, to bag that coveted contract. I like to start by reading you a scripture, Song of Solomon, chapter 2, verse 15. It says, "Catch the foxes, the little foxes, before they ruin our vineyard in bloom." And so, for the purposes of our discussion today, I just want to take the foxes being referred to here as bad habits. Bad habits that hinder productivity while working from home. The first one, showing up at your workstation or desk in your nightgown, pajamas, or shorts. According to research, dressing up, even when you are not leaving the house, affects your self-image. It makes you feel like you can do anything, and it will boost your productivity. And so a simple rule that you can follow is this: if you will not be comfortable in it in front of your boss, then don't wear it to your workstation. The second bad habit, snacking between meals. Now there's a temptation here that after you take breakfast, before you take lunch, you take brunch and you take blanch. After you take lunch, you take Luna and you take Lina before you do dinner. This habit of snacking between meals is not very good. You should instead invest in healthy meals that are prepared at home instead of relying on junk food delivery. Resist the urge to snack on junk food. And if you must take a snack, you can take a snack that is made of fruits or nuts. Also, you can boost your productivity by taking supplements. The third bad habit is being on social media or napping during work hours. Now, this temptation, you can overcome it by doing the following. First, have a to-do list that focuses you on the important things that need to be done daily. Secondly, limit your social media presence by not having your accounts open during work hours. It is also important to reduce your screen time to avoid getting headaches at the end of your day. The fourth bad habit is not balancing work and family life now that you're working from home. Try to create a family-friendly work environment. Don't let overworking or burnout lead to health problems. Spend quality time with your family as a priority. Remember, the company will easily replace you in case of anything, but your family can never replace your absence. So invest in your family. It's a worthy investment. Number 5, working the whole day without doing any physical exercises. It's important to set aside time to exercise, even if it means following this online. I know that at this point, because of the coronavirus, gyms are closed, but you could get a good exercise routine and an online trainer, either on your TV or on internet. So make sure you make good use of this. There's a temptation also to eat your lunch at your desk. Try to eat lunch away from your desk because this will help you to avoid overeating. And also remember that the brain can only concentrate fully on one task at a time. Lack of exercises leads to physical complications like obesity and heart diseases. You could take a walk during your lunch break. This improves blood circulation as you stretch your legs. Try to stretch after every 30 minutes and focus on your neck, shoulders, and your back. Consider using a standing desk. And the latest technology, we have a combination of a standing desk that has a stationary bike or a treadmill. The standing desk has the following benefits. It improves your posture. It helps you to burn more calories. It strengthens your back, legs, and your feet. Thank you, my viewers, for taking your time. Don't forget, drop me a comment, like, share this video with your networks, and subscribe. God bless you.